School, I used to bust it to the dance. Yeah! Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy.
Yo, what up, my people? So today, I'm gonna go to one of my favorite shops. It's called JP Euro's Collision, man. He's gonna show me some of his Sema cars that he's building, and I'm gonna go check on them because I am going to Vegas with for the Sema show, and we're gonna have some special guests like Real to Real, Muscle Cars and Moles, aka Stunneries. So guys, please make sure you stay tuned in for the videos coming up, cause it's gonna be epic, man. Epic vlogs, epic videos, epic cars, you know what I'm saying? Ultra legendary videos. Alright people, we just arrived to JP Euro's shop. I'm about to go check out some of the cars he got. So you can see the Nissan Maxima is looking ferocious, ultra legendary, you know what I'm saying? But look what we got over here, guys. We got a beautiful McLaren. Man, love that orange accent to it he got on it. You see the carbon fiber on there. Looking real good. Hope you guys can see that. I just seen the guy, he's just about to change the wheels to it. 650S. And those tires he got on right now in the rain, he's like, man, it's like ice skating. I was like, hell yeah, man, gotta get them wheels. But yeah, besides that, man, the car is nice. next time you see the car, guys, it will be in the SEMA show in Vegas. So yeah, stay tuned. I am waiting on the GTR. It's getting buffed right now, guys, so make sure you stay tuned on the video because the car is coming. It's gonna come nice and clean. So guys, I've seen it. My God, it's gonna be ridiculous when you guys see it in the camera, guys. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit the comment section. You know, make sure if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. Squad, so check it out, man. The GTR is live in effect, man. Most of the parts came from Extreme out in London, so man, all the body kits and all that, man, came from London. Look at the details on it, man. This is just, you know, just got finished, man. But I actually wanted to show you guys this part of the body kit. It's freaking carbon fiber. I'm trying to get you guys to see the ridges on the body kit through the paint. You know, just to let you know, there's carbon fiber underneath there. There's no, everything on this car's quality is A1, man. So check it out. You see that color flipping on it? Sick, man. I just wanted to get you guys a quick glance of the car. Show you the finished product later. Got the people from JP working on it, doing an awesome job. This car is sponsored by Rohanas, so hope you guys can look at that offset heat. JP Euro for letting me come and film the cars. And to the car owners, man, I appreciate you for letting me film the car. And hope you guys like the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for more content. Let's go.
Punch your bad mouth, rag talk, bring that cash out, these bitches ass out. Whoa, who gon' back down? We can't back